But just who is
Brock?
Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.
So we have a 1966 VW split screen van. Our plan is, by the looks of the rear corner, there's still some original paint under there, some pastel white, so it'd be quite nice to try and get as much back as possible. Lower it down, narrowed, drop spindles on the front. Going to keep the drum brakes because we only have a standard engine, straight axle Beetle rear end, full interior by Thomas at STS Trimming. Really looking forward to working with him for the week. H Schofield give us a really good discount on a whole lot of parts, as you can see. We're going to go dual circuit on the brakes as well, just a bit of safety. Rear arches and front panel obviously going to need to be welded in and blended. I'm going to get Tozer Signs to come in on the Friday and Saturday, fingers crossed, and work her magic on what could hopefully be the original paint. Buttys Bits has donated a fair few things, including this roller bearing throttle linkage, which is a really nice bit of kit. MCJ Products going to do us a nice engraved one push and all the handles for the interior. So the dates we're planning on doing this are the 19th of October for 6 days. So fingers crossed we can get it done in that time frame. It's going to be day and night. It's going to be a good feed going on in the workshop, so you can see how it's going on social media.
But just who is
Brock?
Where did he come from? It is a strange story that begins many years ago.